the mysterious case of Victor Blackwood, a renowned magician known as the illusionist, who performs a breathtaking act at the Royal Theatre, making an entire armored truck vanish on stage. The audience is mesmerized, but when the truck fails to reappear, suspicion arises. Detective Sarah Lawson takes on that case, uncovering a complex web of deception. As she investigates, she realizes Victor might not be acting alone. The real culprits, a notorious gang called the Phantom Crew, use the illusion as a cover for a much larger heist. Just as Sarah closes in, she is ambushed, only to discover that the truck was a mere distraction while the crew successfully robbed the city's largest bank. Despite the cunning escape, Sarah vows to bring them to justice, knowing that even the best illusions can't last forever.